In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Figma. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially if you're creating prototypes or trying to link to external resources directly from your design. We'll walk through this process step by step, so let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to head over to Figma's website. Figma is a powerful and collaborative interface design tool that's widely used by designers for its ease of use and powerful features. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll need your login credentials handy. If you're new to Figma, you might need to sign up first, but I'll assume you already have an account. After logging in, you'll be directed to Figma's homepage. From here, you can see all of your recent designs and projects. Navigate to the specific file or project where you'd like to add a link to an image. This ensures you're working in the right space. Now that you have the correct project open, click on the Design tab. This action will take you to the workspace where all the magic happens. It's here that you can see all your design elements laid out clearly. You can zoom in or out to focus on specific areas if needed. Next, find the image within your design that you want to add a link to. Clicking on the image will select it. It's important to make sure you're working with the exact image you want, as this will be the anchor for your link. With the image selected, turn your attention to the text button. Click on it to activate the text editing mode. At this point, you might be wondering why we're addressing text when dealing with an image. Well, this is essential because Figma uses text link functionalities for clickable interactions. Once you are in text mode, look for the Actions panel. Clicking on Actions will display several options related to interactivity and behaviors in your design. One of these options is the ability to create a link, which is what we're focusing on today. Now click on Create Link. A dialog box will appear where you can input your desired link. This could be an external URL like a website, or an internal link that navigates to another part of your design or document. Make sure to enter the precise link you want and double check it for any errors. And that's it. You've successfully added a link to an image in Figma. With the link now in place, users interacting with your design can click on the image and be directed to the linked resource. This feature enhances your design's functionality and interactivity. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.